The Forex Trading Coach is over 16 years old, and we've been providing information for traders right around the world for a long time. And this is video and podcast number 600, where I'm in the US with Paul Tilman. So let's talk about the longevity of what we do and the quality of what we offer and how we can help you to trade successfully. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew here, the Forex Trading Coach for video and podcast number 600. And I'm joined here in the US in Asheville at Biltmore House with Paul Tilman.
Hey everyone, glad to see you here. 600 episode, big milestone.
It is indeed. And one of the things that we like to talk about at the Forex Trading Coach is the consistency of what we offer and the longevity of what we offer. Now, Paul, maybe you could just give a bit of an introduction of yourself and how we got to meet each other and work together.
Absolutely. So Paul Tilman, I live here in North Carolina, and I joined Andrew as a client just over 10 years ago. I tried to find red flags from a previous experience, and Andrew didn't have any. So I joined, and then after 2 years, I said, hey, Andrew, I'd love to help work with you and have that kind of representative of trading here for the Forex Trading Coach in the U.S. and this side of the world. So it's been 8.5 years we've been working together. Andrew came along and visited here in North Carolina about 8 years ago to check things out, make sure everything was legit and good. And it's been a wonderful 8 years together.
Cool. And Paul, your role in the coaching business and helping people?
Sure. So I'm the director of coaching here. I help out with the one-on-one coaching sessions as well as the webinars. We do a US webinar, our forum site, our chat room area, daily trade suggestions, just general coaching help, trading help. Yes, sort of do a little bit of everything.
Nice. And one of the things with the 16 years that we've been running is that we offer consistency, not into only what we do as well, but also the strategy. I think that's
right. Point. Yes. So ever since I came on and through the history, the strategy hasn't changed. We've added things like a US webinar. We added our forum site and chat room area, that real community of traders, but nothing's ever changed. It's not the next shining object, or we do something for 6 months and then we change it. None of that. It's the same strategy since the very beginning, and that helps with consistency, and you're doing the same thing every time, which will get you consistently profitable return.
Yeah, and the only other thing I suppose we have added, because of the nature of the market, is there are more time frames available now, especially for traders using MT5, where you get other charts like 2 hours, 3 hours, 6, 8, 12 built in. And of course, there's more markets for a lot of people as well. We now offer or look at metals and cryptos and indices and commodities because they are now available to so many more people, which is pleasing from our point of view, because the strategy, which was of course a Forex strategy, works exactly the same.
Yeah, it works on every time frame and every market. I mean, all the exotics, cryptos, commodities, the ones that Andrew mentioned, it all works on all of it, which is great. You don't have to have one strategy for a certain set and another one for another set, which is just confusing and not worth it. So it works with everything.
That's right. And one of the things that I found personally when I started trading like well over 20 years ago, well, people were having strategies that they'd say this only works on the euro US dollar on the 1 hour chart and nothing else. Yeah. And I couldn't work out why that was. And so the beauty of this is that it works on all time frames as well as all markets.
Yes, you don't have to worry about it. Just use that strategy, apply it, and look at your time frame, put the trade in, and let it go and do its thing.
That's right. And so, look, whether it's longevity of the strategy you're looking for, the longevity of the free information that we post each day on the free daily trade suggestions, these webinars, as we said, or these podcasts, number 600, we can help people from right around the world. So as someone who did join as a client in the early days, what would be advice that you would suggest to maybe someone watching or listening to this about what to look for?
So being a new trader, you avoid a lot of the pitfalls. They say 95% of traders fail. And you know what? I believe it because of the lack of coaching, the lack of education, the changing strategy that we just mentioned every so often. So we are happy and proud to be in that 5% of traders who do succeed. Yes, it requires a little bit of effort. There's no get rich quick schemes out there. But a little bit of effort, the education and coaching, everything we provide, we give you all the tools to be successful. And we always tell people when they first come to us, we hope to be your last stop in
Yeah.
the journey to be consistently profitable.
That's right. So, look, if you're out there looking to potentially join us, I'll put a link here that you can jump onto a masterclass that we hold as a free short masterclass. It teaches you all about how we trade and how we can help you. If you're out there looking for a broker, you'll know that we work closely with Blueberry Markets. For so many people around the world can use Blueberry Markets. Unfortunately, not here in the US, but most other countries can. And yeah, it's just awesome working with Paul. Really enjoy our relationship that we have. We talk daily about trades and helping clients, and looking forward to another 16 plus years of it as well. So because it just works, it's an enjoyable community that we've built, and it's just people helping people, which is so good.
That's right. Yeah, it's the best financial education coaching decision I've made. And it's been great getting to know Andrew and his wife. Our family's hanging out together. This is the third time around. And yeah, we're going to go enjoy more North Carolina and get to trading this week right now.
Absolutely. In a couple of hours from now.
That's right.
So thanks everybody for watching or listening. Once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, Paul Tilman at the Forex Trading Coach. We'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.